Good day, everyone. You are welcome back to this channel. If you are new views, you are welcome to this channel. Kindly subscribe to the channel to support this channel. And this channel is basically a channel where we put you through how to cut and how to sew easily. And this day we just want to I want to put you through how to use ashoke to sew sokoto pants, like sokoto traditional trouser. And maybe in subsequent video I'm going to show you how to use it to sew pants trouser. But today I will be showing you how to use it to sew sokoto. And the first thing to do is cut the ashoke according to the right measurement of the person. you know Take for instance, if the length of the trouser is 40, you make sure you add like 4 inches or 5 inches to it, making it 45. So for the folding allowance at the top and below, so you just cut it according to that. So after cutting, then you will take it to the machine to join the pieces. And most of the time, uh, two two layers of this will form like the front side of the trouser. So when you join two together, it's going to form, at least for the ashoke that are always wide. There are some that is the wideness is always up to 6.5 or even 7 sometimes. So when you join two together, you will have up to like 13 or 12 inches, for the wideness. So for a lap of 23, you can see that can be enough. But for somebody that we probably the lap is up to 27, then you know that if you join two of these, it cannot be enough. So you will know that probably you have to join like three together or join like five together, then you will cut it to two. So that will be like two and a half, two and a half. Hopefully you get what I'm trying to say. So this person, the lap is 23. So I'm joining two together for the front side. Then for the back side, the back is always wider. So I joined five together. Then I later cut it to two. So that's for the the back of the trouser. So two for the front. Then I joined five together. Then cut it to two to make the back. And I actually have videos on how to cut uh, shokoto, like this native trouser. I have it, how to cut and sew. I have it already. So I'll just show you how to cut this. Then I will leave the link of how to sew shokoto in the description so that you can go through it if you don't know how to sew shokoto. So the first thing to do is to measure 2 inches. Yeah, measure 2 inches for the folding, then the length of the trouser. So this, I actually used the guy's measurement for the cutting of this. So the next thing is to measure the crush, and I'm using 11 for this. So from this crush, we want to get the nail. So divide this by 2, then you add 2 to this side like this. So that's the nail. That's how to get your nail. So the guy's uh, lap. So the guy's lap is 23. That's 11. 23 divided by 2 is 11 and a half. So that's 11 and a half. So we divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. So just measure what you have here. Measure it. This point, this point. Just try to get the middle of the color. That's what I'm trying to do here. That's that. Then for the ankle, we are using, let's say, 13. We are using 13 for the guy's ankle. That's 13. So hope you are following. So just find a way to. So this side is it's what we call, is it tissue that they call that side now? The below the nail. Below the nail. So I measured 15 for the guy. 15. That's 7.5. 7.5 divided by 2. Half. 3 3/4. So make sure you take notes of this so that the trouser will not be tight at that region. And kindly subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, so that we can that will serve as a support for us, so that we can be encouraged to upload more video. So that's that. We are left with cutting. I'm cutting the front side first. This is the front side, so you can still see the back of the trouser. Yeah. So the front side is sorted out. Sorted out. Sorted out. So just measure 3 inches, then cut this out like this. And you can, let's just trace it. I want to use freehand before, but because of this uh, tutorial, let's try to mark. Let's mark. So mark. That's like 2 inches, and this side is 3. Don't forget. So this region will be around 2.5. This region, or 2 3/4. Yeah. So, so through with the cutting. Yeah, through with the cutting now. So that's that. About that, what's left is to sew it, and I will leave the link of how to sew chokoto in the video, so that you can go through it if you don't know how to sew it.